Almost done. Come in here with this little buddy. Clean my brush before I even do this. Take some of this and take it to my eye. And if you want, you can take some of the white one and just put it on top of it so it's a little bit lighter. Boom. Now I'm going to take this little guy, this one. Watch, I love this. Ha! Wait, what just happened? What just happened? And I put on the areas that I want some of my face to glow. And I did this on top of my lip and my nose. So some people just put this here. I actually put it all the way over here so I look like my entire face looks like I have this beautiful glow. Right? Come again with your little powder. Press on it. Don't do this. Just press, 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 press. And my friends, I'm almost done. This is a must. You're gonna see how my face just looks like, wait, what just happened? Because this is going to set everything and it's gonna make everything look like, oh my God. I put this on before I put this on because you don't want that thing just falling all over the place, your lashes. So I'm gonna put this on and then you can go back even when it's wet and get more of that beautiful this. I can't get enough of that. So I'm gonna put some of this on. And I do this because I want it to set really quickly. So I make sure. And there you have it. And all I need is I don't know who came with the name, but I'm just gonna say it because that's what it says here. It's called Better Than Sex. I'm not sure about that, but it is really good. This is this is from Too Faced. I have a lot of stuff from Too Faced because Too Faced is really, really good makeup. This, okay, don't ever put this straight from out of here. You have to clean this out because this is so much product and you're not looking for that. You're looking to have natural lashes. So I wipe this off as much as possible. And then there we go. Sometimes I even take a napkin because sometimes it's like too much product and I'm not here for that. I don't want to look clumpy or blumpy or anything. This is a really good eyelash product. It really is. So you go in and you put it on. And you're going to see that with that liner on the bottom part, and you can always go back and add more. And there you have it. Let me do the other side. Sorry if I'm not showing. I always get teary-eyed. Oh. And then I do my bottom part. And there you have it. She done. She ready. She ready. So, because this is my no makeup look, I'm gonna show you what I do with my lips. I got big lips. I really don't need to be doing much lining, but if you don't have big lips and you wanna highlight them, let me show you how I do it. I go back to my little palette here, and people do it with white. I don't do it with white. I do it actually with the darkest color I have here, and I'm going to show you. It took me longer to learn how to do the top part of my lip than the bottom part for some reason. The bottom part is so easy. Top part is like a pain in the butt. Watch. You already have a line. So what we're doing is basically accentuating your line. That's all we're doing. And you have to use this type of brush. This is actually my brush that I use for my, I love this damn brush. I don't know if this is, I don't know who brush this is, but it's great. You see the difference already? Okay now. And let's see if I don't screw up my top lip, because I tend to do that. But let me concentrate. So what I learned is that on the top part, even though you're trying to make them bigger, you want to try to, I mean, unless you want to do that kind of crazy look, that's fine, but I'm not here for that. I actually do it really on top of my line. On the bottom part, whereas at the bottom part, I actually take it lower and then I do the line, so it makes it look like I have bigger lips than I already have. Like, I really don't need this, but it's more of a definition than anything, so you want to make sure that you're defining. So you can actually see this side versus this side. And I do have a very defined line as it is, so I really don't need this, but I kind of like putting this on when I do a nude lipstick and this kind of look, because it just makes it look so much, for me, it looks really, it looks really clean. So let me finish doing this and I'll come back to you, because I'm gonna go get my lipstick so you can see how it looks. Okay, so I'm back. Finished lining the bottom part, and you can see I'm all lined up. I actually brought this one a little bit higher so it looks, but it doesn't look crazy like one of those, Jesus help me, those grannies that like just, I'm not here for that. We're not doing that. So I have this lipstick that was sent to me in one of those Ipsies. I went crazy for this lipstick because I use it I literally use this thing every day. I just feel it goes well with everything because it's actually like a lip gloss. And especially when you're doing this kind of look, like no makeup look, if you will, like just natural look. This one is called Beauty for Real. Let me see if I got this right. It's called Beauty for Real. And I found out that this is actually made in Miami, so go Miami. So I'm gonna put some of this on and you're gonna see. And we're done. People, we're done. We are so done. I am going to have to edit this video because I've taken so long to do my makeup today, but again, it's because I'm explaining myself. So I'm gonna see how I edit this because ain't nobody got time to watch me for an hour, so I'm just gonna finish this up. Hoping Naisha comes out of her room and help me edit this video so I can put this up for you guys. Naisha's learned how to do makeup too, and she's doing really good. I have two experts at the house. Nashali does really good makeup too. always told her to go get her little course in this. I'm actually taking mine online, believe it or not, because I want to learn more about makeup. It's one of my passions and I love it. And there you have it, people. My first makeup tutorial. Yes, go Boricua. All right, people. Questions, doubts, concerns are all welcome. Positive feedback, very welcome too. If you got anything negative to say, you can keep it moving and keep it popping. We're not here for that. We're in a new world, new times. This is all about love, no hate. Again, this is what I do. This is my regimen. Doesn't mean you have to do it. I'm 46, going to be 47. So I think that for us elderly girls, we need to do different types of makeup so that we don't look like we're in our 60s when we're actually in our 40s. So I hope everybody's doing well. Get your praise on today because it's Sunday. I already did my praise this morning. I talked to my little Jesus today because I need me some Jesus. I can't do it without him. So you should be doing the same. Have a blessed Sunday and let me know what you think. God bless.